Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a KEIL lock. This guy originally was purchased for, looks like $9.13 or somewhere around there. Anyway, it's from Charlestown, New Hampshire, made in the USA. So I pulled this guy open. It's one of these really nice heavy duty, locks. You put on the door, really nicely built, And then I look at the lock and key. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5 pin key, pin lock, and let's see if we can get it open. Okay. Alright, and see if we can break this guy open. Oh. Use a different pick here. Sorry about that. And there we go. So that was easy. Let's see if we can single pin pick this. There's off a 5 back there. Some movement. 2. And there we go. It took me a minute, but that's all right. This lock is easily the weakest length in the chain on this one. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got in here. Let's see, we're going to use this fantastic penning tray I got from Bobby Keys. Good man, Bobby Keys. Sorry, trying to keep this in frame here. Using this automated zoom paint thing and seeing if that works. All right, let's see what we got here. This has 5 pins. Let's see what we got here. Standard Standard, standard, standard. All right. The core's kind of weird. It kind of like dips down in there a little bit. It's kind of interesting. I don't know. Anyway, let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Bobby Keys loves it when I say that. Shall we? All right. Yeah, standard. Oops. These are all going to be standard, of course. This should be pretty nice to make into a nice challenge lock. And there we go, all the same springs too. So, there we go. All right. Again, this is a KEIL lock. It's not really a good lock, man. And they should have really done something different with the other lock. Probably a reason why I haven't heard of anything else coming from them. Anyway, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.